Hey everybody, Amazing Maine here. Thank you once again for joining me today. I'm your self-care enthusiast, your yoga inspirator, and your natural hair cheerleader. I'm with all the growth and healing vibes. I'm just here to help. If that's something you're into, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my hair. Exciting. I've been natural for 14 years now. I've had so many setbacks from just getting my hair cut too short, from it falling out due to not knowing how to take care of it properly. I've just had so many setbacks, and one of the setbacks was like I wasn't nourishing my body properly, so my hair wasn't growing in strong. So I've been through the ringer with my natural hair, but 14 years later, I'm still going, and I am determined to achieve the results that I've been wanting to achieve. I also want to say that I understand natural hair is not for everybody. Everybody can't just go natural and be comfortable with their natural hair. One of the reasons I believe that it was hard for me when I first went natural is because I didn't even know how to do my relaxed hair. You know, anytime I got my hair done, someone else was doing it. And then a lot of the other problems will be going to get someone else to do it. And a lot of times others do not care for your hair the way that it needs to be, especially with natural hair being new, fairly new to the community. Even the stylists are still learning how to take care of it. So even if you don't know how to do your natural hair, but you just want to go get someone else to do it, a lot of the times they can't even care for your hair the way it needs to be cared for. So I understand why going natural is not for everybody. I mean, 14 years later, and this is all I have to show for it, but I'm still loving it, so I'm not complaining. So today is wash day, and I wanted to share exactly what I do with my hair in between wash days and styling. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair exactly as I would do right before I jump in the shower. Okay, so here is my hair. I ended up doing 6 sections. So this is how I prepare my hair right before I jump in the shower to wash it. And I'll wash each of these sections and condition them separately. Alright, so let me go ahead and jump in the shower and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. I just got out the shower, washed and conditioned my hair, and now I'm going to be applying the leave-in conditioner. I have the Cream of Nature Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner, and Smooth and Shine Fine Botanicals Camellia oil and shea butter deep recovery treatment. I'm just going to apply both of these products and then braid it back up. And I like braids better than twists as far as stretching my hair. I feel like braids stretch the hair more. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. My hair is still wet, so I'm going to apply this one to my ends. Let that seep into the ends. And then I'll apply about this much onto each section. You want to make sure you're really working it in and allowing it time to absorb. All right, now that we have our leave-in conditioner in and our braids in for stretching, we're going to go ahead and let it dry completely. Once that's finished drying, we'll be back for the rest of the process. So it's the next day. My hair is completely dry, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out. It smells so good. Okay, so this is my hair. So now that I have my hair out, I'm going to massage my scalp using a very light amount of oil. So the oil that I'll be using is Batana oil or Batana oil. This is all I'm going to use to massage my scalp. So I'm going to be doing crochet box braids today. And what I'll do is I'll section my entire head using rubber bands, and then I'll install the crochet braiding hair in at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and begin sectioning my hair. All right, flats all in. Now let's take a look to see how I did. Cross my fingers. All right, so let's go ahead and begin installing the braiding hair. Exciting. I'm going to be using pre-stretched hair. It is long, 26 inches, and I also have my crochet needle. I don't even know how to do it. Oh my God, what am I doing? Oh no, I did this wrong. I haven't done crochet in so long. Okay, so what I do first is I stick the needle through my hair. I stick the needle through. Oh, do y'all want to see this process? Hold on. Here is the first braid. That was actually harder than I expected, but I think it looks pretty good. 13 more to go. It's actually, I think, looking better than, you know, any other time I've done my hair. Last time I did my hair, I didn't even use Shine and Jam. I think I used like some hair moisturizer. It was not good. I cannot believe I did my own hair. I mean, I used to do my own hair all the time, but that's before I became a little bit more self-conscious. So yeah, the fact that I'm doing my hair, that I just did my hair is, yeah. And this is the back.
So about 30 minutes after installing this style, I realized it was too tight. So yeah, had to take it out. I did this before and I decided to keep it in, and I regretted it because all my hair fell out, so I didn't want to take that chance again this time. So I took all of these beautiful braids out, but it wasn't a complete failure because all I did was take out this hair, pop all the rubber bands, and then because I had a whole extra pack of hair, I just reapplied, reinstalled, recrocheted the braids using less hair and with it being a little looser. So yeah, it all worked out and it all came out beautiful, and these are the results.
I can see myself doing this style more in the future, if not it becoming my signature style. I love how easy it was to do once I got the swing of it, and this style is perfect for low manipulation, protective styling, and length retention. This will be the perfect style to help me reach my hair length goals. If you enjoyed this video today, go ahead and hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel.